This is just a regular blank wall calendar that you can find from the store or online. I'm going to show you how you can use a little piece of wood to hang it up on the wall, give it a cool modern look, and it's a nice easy project. I measured a straight line down a sheet of 1/4-inch plywood. This is about 2¼ inches in width, and then I just cut it from both sides using this miter saw. Since it was a 2x4-foot piece of plywood, this skinny piece that I cut off is about 24 inches long, and I just trimmed a little off the ends so that it would be a nice clean edge. Then I took a palm sander and sanded all of the edges and the front and back of the whole piece. When everything was sanded, I brushed off any dust and then applied a stain. When the stain had dried, I put the piece of wood underneath the calendar and marked where I wanted the 2 holes to go. And then I used a drill press to put drill holes where I had marked those 2 spots. You could just use a regular hand drill as well. With the holes in, it's time to install the piece of wood to the calendar. You just need 2 sets of screw posts to put this together. The post part is going to come in through the back, and then the screw side goes in from the top. And you can usually get it most of the way twisted in with your fingers and then just kind of tighten it up with a screwdriver. To make sure that my command strip would line up better with the wall behind it, I actually cut another small piece of 1/4-inch plywood to kind of sandwich onto the back, and I just put that on with wood glue and clamped it, and then when that was dry, this command strip here can connect to the command strip piece that's on the wall, and now it just has kind of a cooler look than sticking it up straight from the store. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.